the next edition of Sitlob's IndoVox. We have here a new guest again today with us, Mr. Sanjeev Das of Native Ninja. Hello. Hello, Mr.
Hi,
Sanjeev. Hi.
hi, Lalita ji.
So we are glad you are here and we would like to know, understand journey of your company, everything. But first of all, let me introduce you to the viewers. Mr. Sanjeev Das is an innovative, dynamic entertainment industry professional with more than 20 years of experience in content localization and its ancillary services. So welcome, and this is a vast experience, so we would really like to know about it. But
Yeah,
first of all, sorry.
thank you so much. Thank you so much. And in fact, I'm not used to being in front of the camera because the company name is Native Ninjas, and ninjas are always behind the scene. So it was always in the back end. So first and foremost, I would like to thank Sitlob for this opportunity and showcasing me and my company and what services we do. And to start with, of course, this experience is close to 27 years now.
Oh, I'm
But
so sorry. Okay.
yeah, but no, it's fine. Me and my brother, I have a
Mhm.
twin brother. We started
Oh,
this journey in 2017. So
okay.
we left a very beautiful job, a nice company, where we
Mhm.
thought that fire in the belly is, it needs some more. So that is when we thought that it's time to explore
Mhm.
and see what all we can do. So 2017 we started this journey. We
Okay.
had no idea how, when, and where to really go for. All we
Mhm.
had was goodwill and experience. So operating out of a coffee shop or tea shop or in the car, we were the courier boys to office boys to the people who are working on the project.
Okay.
But one client
Mhm.
trusted first, and it was a international project. It was Spanish to English dubbing, and that was the start. That was a first billing we did in Native Ninja with two staff. It's me and my brother together, and
Great, great.
then another client came in with five
Mhm.
language contract almost for 2 years. That was three
Mhm.
was international language. One was Malay, Bhasha, Indonesian, and Arabic with three
Okay.
Indian languages. That
Great,
was
great. Mhm.
for that year, it was one of my biggest contract, and then it started rolling. So in first year, we were able to uh, from two people team we got into our own office, and we were able to expand close to 8 to 10 people.
Very nice. But I would like to ask you here about this interesting name of your company, Native Ninja. So tell us about it.
So yes, this name actually we thought a lot that what it should be,
Mhm.
and since we are representing localization for media industry,
Mhm.
so native has to be native because we are dealing with languages. So native language, that
Mhm.
means we go to the native place to make sure the nuances of the languages are captured. Yeah,
Mhm.
so that is why always native is local, local is localization. Yeah,
Great, great, great. Okay.
and ninjas are shifus, masters of their game, and always behind the scene hidden. And that is where ninja came to
Mhm.
native, and native ninja became the go-to name for all of us. And in fact, when we reached
Mhm.
out to our friends and families, this is ninja has a recall value, it's easy to
Yes,
remember.
certainly.
So yeah, so if you see, our website is also native.ninja. It's not .com, .net, .in. No,
Oh,
it's
great.
.ninja, and our
Mhm.
email ID domain is also .ninja. So many a
Wonderful.
times, many organization do not accept any other new term, but
Mhm.
in last 3 years, most of our clients got the habit to allow certain .ninja emails.
Great. Wonderful, that is. So you started out with dubbing, you said, right? And
Yes.
but these the people you hired or you engaged, they were freelancers or you got them in your company for working?
So, of course, we started with dubbing and subtitling both, but
Mhm.
subtitling snowballed little later in 2018 and 19.
Oh,
2017, we had a larger chunk, I would say almost 70% of work was in dubbing and 30% was subtitling, which is now in 2020 2021 we see the gap has closed down to 50% of both the businesses are running into. So we operate out of four verticals, Lalita ji, and
Mhm.
these four verticals are dubbing, subtitling, closed captioning, and audio description. So, of course, subtitling and closed captioning is known to the world, but
Mhm.
being in India, audio description is something what we do for our international customers.
Exactly.
Uh,
I
yeah,
was
so
about to ask you, can you
yeah,
explain audio description?
so audio description services are this come under access services. So my company is Native Ninja Localization and Access Services, and Access
No.
Services also includes closed caption as well as audio description. So audio description is what we call it in US and UK. We call it descriptive video. So
Okay.
US UK its term is a little different, but the work is same. So
Hmm.
there is a voiceover narrative to the content, which makes a blind person able to enjoy the content. He can
Okay.
hear what is
Great.
happening in and around the content, and he can enjoy the movie or the show. So in fact, the services are mandated in Canada. 100%
Mhm.
content needs to be described,
Hmm.
but some percentage in US and some percentage in UK, and that is a huge volume which needs to be turned around. So we
Mhm.
actually mastered audio description way back in 2016-17,
Okay.
but we were able to reach out to a few companies in Canada, and we
Mm.
could give them these services, and that is how audio description started in Native Ninja.
Great, great. That's really a big and helpful service, I think, for many, certainly.
Very few Indian movies have been described for blinds, and these movies have really done well because it is also giving an opportunity to blind people to enjoy movies, which is these are superstars of the movie. They are also they can enjoy the dialogues, and they can
Correct.
really not see but imagine what is going on the screen.
Mm. Wonderful. This is something new I learned today. That's great. So in your present capabilities, you have four verticals, like you mentioned, right? So
Yes.
these are all Indian languages and foreign languages, or only foreign languages?
I would not say that we do all 40, 50 languages. We are very
Mhm.
selective in terms of languaging. So we
Mhm.
do all languages, but we should have some significant volume to that language.
Mhm.
So, of course, we do all major Indian languages in dubbing,
Mhm.
subtitling, and translation. But
Mhm.
apart from India, Southeast Asia is our good strength. We have
Okay.
been doing Malay, Bhasha, Indonesian, Taiwanese, Chinese, Japanese, all these languages for a very long time. And
Mm.
in fact, we've been able to do video localization. That term is very new for many.
Yes. Okay.
So, video localization is basically we replace the actor from the video in the same setting. So, if there is an English
Mhm.
commentator or an actor who is giving a tour or
Mhm.
a product launch. So we
Mhm.
reshoot the entire thing in Chinese, German, and Japanese.
Oh my God. So that is an entirely new production then.
Right. It is purely
Okay.
a video production, but we
Mhm.
call it video localization. So everything remains the same except the actor and the language.
Okay, that is really interesting. Except the actor and the language. Okay. Very nice.
So Southeast Asia is our strength in terms of language. We've been working in Arabic for a very long time. In fact,
Mhm.
we've been
Mhm.
pioneers since in last 27 years. We know how to really. Those were the time when movies was released through print, and for
Mhm.
Middle East, all big movies are going on reel, and
Yes.
we were the only company that time who could do
Mhm.
subtitling in Arabic on film. So
Oh, okay.
back in 2008 and 10, we were the only company who were doing almost all the movies in Arabic.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, so of course technology changed, everything evolved. We learned, we updated ourselves with the technology, and then
Mhm.
in Native Ninja we have now strength in Southeast Asia, Middle East, and we have recently opened a new shop in Cape Town, South Africa, where we are
Oh,
working with local
mhm.
partner and working with a larger broadcaster
Okay.
to dub their movies in English. So far we have done close to 30 movies in last 4 to 5 months.
Only. That's wonderful. So tell me, how is the culture of your organization? Like,
So culture, what do you mean exactly by culture? If you can elaborate more, I'll be able to
sure,
share.
sure. Yes. For example, there are a few companies who are, working remotely. I mean, not during COVID times, in general, I'm saying. And there are some who are hiring people, and they are trying to train them. They are trying to update and upskill them.
Oh,
So
that
how
way
is
I
your
would say, yeah, that way I would say that we have, of course, as we started with 2 people and now we are 30,
great?
and it is growing every month. So we provide opportunity to newcomers a lot. In fact,
Mhm.
every year we get at least 2 3 freshers from the college or their degree or diploma what they have done, and then
Mhm.
they become part of our life. So out of 30, I would say uh, 20 odd are there with us for many years. Like, company is new, but they've been working with us. Yeah, so few
Great.
of them are working with us are more than 10, 11 years now. Yeah, so there is a very strong bonding within the company, within the people, and
Mhm.
we work hard, and then we also enjoy and celebrate our success as we
That's
continue
great.
to grow.
That's a nice culture then.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and also what we do is we
Mhm.
don't mold these people into a set way of working. Yeah, so
Mhm. Okay.
it's very flexible in our company.
Mhm.
People are free to work from where they want. If you want to come and work in
Oh,
office, the
yeah.
space is provided. If you want to work from home, it's provided. If you want to take a leave, you please take a leave, don't come to me, but make sure your table
Mhm.
is clear. Yeah,
Deadline
so
follow karo.
yes,
That is.
yes. So as you know, media industry, everything is working
Mhm.
24/7. They don't stop, and so
Mhm.
are we. So we never tell our customer that it is a weekend or it is a Saturday or a Sunday.
Mhm.
We
Mhm.
always give that trust. This building trust is a long tail, and it takes a lot of time, and it can
Mhm.
only be earned through our own performance and our own work. So now almost close to 30 customers what we have, they know that even if they call at 11:30 in the night, there is
Mhm.
somebody to respond, and
Great.
there is somebody to take care of the work, and it will be delivered.
Wow, that's wonderful.
Yeah, so that is how we continue to grow, and today I would say we are working with at least 3 broadcasters,
Mhm.
close to 4 larger OTT platforms, and
Oh.
at least 2 international gaming companies.
Mhm. Mhm.
And this trust is just growing because any whatever I say, it's always your
Mhm.
work which speaks volume.
Yeah.
And because of that, we've been able to earn a larger contract, which was a huge contract from
Mhm.
Eros now, and it was close to
Oh, okay.
3,000 movies to be subtitled. And then this year in March, we pitched for a government tender
Mhm.
to NFAI, and out of 25, we were the
Okay.
chosen one to deliver that project, and we have started
Congratulations.
that project. Yeah.
Oh, fantastic. I was about to ask you about your success stories during your journey, and you already told them. You can add.
So I can add definitely. So I would say 2017, when we started this larger OTT platform, was the first success of that year, which then rolled into next year, where Lionsgate Play, we did close to 13 to 5, like 150 odd movies in 5 languages. And then Eros now, as I mentioned, it is a huge contract, entire
Mhm.
library to be subtitled. And NFAI, which we just closed, is close to 100,000 minutes of
Oh,
content from various Indian languages to English, is what we have started this year.
क्या बात है?
But
Mhm.
I think the high what we get is when somebody tweets back there in Karnataka that we enjoy this movie,
Oh,
in so and so language, and the client sends that tweet that thank you for the good work, and that is the biggest reward we have.
I think so. Yes. Coming from a native person
Yeah.
to native ninja. That is
Yes.
wonderful.
And something is written in Kannada which I don't understand, but then
Wow.
somebody is appreciating our work sitting there, and that was the biggest high.
That's the best thing. Great, great. It was nice to know your journey. So I would like to know, or we would like to know your future plans of growth or any expansions or possible collaborations.
So I believe Sitlob has provided a great platform. So
Mhm.
even
Indeed.
for,
Yes.
yeah, whether it is company small or big, or a
Mhm.
freelancer, or a person who just catering to one language in his or her own limited way or capacity, whether it is technical, creative, writing, blog, whatsoever.
Yes.
But this platform, which is a
Mhm.
living platform called Sitlob, is pulsating because of all of us, part
Yes.
of as a members.
Uh-huh.
So this also actually helped me to connect with few Sitlob members and
Mhm.
work with them. And as we speak, I think I have engaged with this company for more than 3-4 times, and
Okay.
this partnership is growing, and I definitely look forward for future collaboration for larger
Mhm.
projects. Especially I'm talking to uh, few of them where we are talking actively on machine learning and automation when it comes to language translation and subtitling.
Oh, yes. Yes.
Yeah, so
Yes.
we
That
in
is a
last
very
3 years we are, yeah,
important
so
topic.
last
Yes.
three.
Mhm.
Yes, so this is the future, and if we ignore it, if we deny it, then it's like we will lose the race in the long term. So it's
Yes.
not even very far off. So that is where we also wanted to keep us
Mhm.
updated when it comes to machine learning, automation, in
Mhm.
translation, and especially very less work has been done in media industry, and
Yes.
that is where I wanted to partner with our members in Sutlab and see what collaboration, because they have already done their that work.
Yes.
The work has already been done, they have achieved a certain level of accuracy, the
Mhm.
workflows are set. So rather
Mhm.
than going and building all over again, it's
Mhm.
always better to work with a fellow member who has already been there and done that.
Correct.
So yes, there are many opportunity, we
Mhm.
continue to collaborate with members, but on a larger level,
Mhm.
it is yet to happen, but we are in talks.
Okay, great. So from Sitlob and from me personally, I wish you all the best for all your future plans.
Thank you so much.